connect X Empire to Telegram wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your X Empire account to Telegram wallet. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Telegram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the top right, you will be able to locate the search icon. Tap on the search icon and in the search bar here, search for X Empire. Now search for it. You will be able to see the search results below. Here find the official X Empire bot. Once you get it, tap on it to open the chat page. Inside the chat page, you'll be able to locate Start button at the very bottom. Tap on Start and then you'll be able to see Play button at the left bottom. Tap on Play. Now you'll be taken to the X Empire interface. You will need to wait for a while here, and once you reach to this page, you'll be able to see Connect Wallet button at the top. Simply tap on this option and soon after doing that, here you'll be able to see this pop-up on your screen. Here you'll be able to see the option Open Wallet in Telegram. Tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Here you may need to choose the tone space address. Once selected, tap on Restore Tone Space and now a code will be sent to your email address. Wait for the code and once you get it, enter it in this field. After that, you will see your wallet has been imported. Tap on View Wallet. Here you will need to tap on this Connect button at the bottom right in order to connect your X Empire account to Telegram wallet. After doing that, you will see your X Empire account has been successfully connected to Telegram wallet. So by following these steps, you can successfully connect your Telegram wallet to your X Empire account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.